Formula One. Formula One is the highest level of single-seater racing, known for its extreme speed, advanced technology, and global audience. These cars are built with lightweight materials like carbon, fiber, and powered by highly efficient hybrid engines. NASCAR. NASCAR racing is based in the United States and focuses on stock car racing. Although modern cars are purpose-built for competition, these races usually take place on oval tracks, where drivers maintain high speeds while battling closely with others. The cars are heavier and less aerodynamic than Formula One cars, but the racing is intense due to the close proximity of competitors. It is known for its long races and strong fan culture. IndyCar. IndyCar is another major form of open-wheel racing, primarily held in North America. These cars are similar in appearance to Formula One but are generally less complex and more standardized. IndyCar races take place on a mix of oval tracks, street circuits, and road courses, offering a variety of challenges. The famous Indianapolis 500 is one of the most important races in this category. Rally car. Rally cars are built for racing on rough and unpredictable terrain, including dirt, gravel, snow, and mud. Unlike circuit racing, rally events take place on closed public roads, often in remote locations. Drivers race against the clock rather than directly against each other, relying heavily on a co-driver who reads pace notes. These cars are modified production vehicles with reinforced suspension and all-wheel drive systems. Drag racing car. Drag racing cars are designed for straight-line speed over short distances, typically a quarter mile. These vehicles are built to accelerate as quickly as possible, often using extremely powerful engines. Some drag cars, like Top Fuel dragsters, can reach incredible speeds in just a few seconds. The focus is entirely on acceleration and reaction time rather than handling or cornering. Touring car. Touring cars are based on regular production cars but heavily modified for racing performance. These races usually take place on road courses and involve multiple cars competing at once. The vehicles are more recognizable compared to other racing types, which adds to their appeal. Touring car racing often features close competition and frequent contact between cars. Endurance racing car. Endurance racing cars are built to last for long races that can run for several hours or even an entire day. Events like the 24 Hours of Le Mans test both the car's durability and the driver's consistency. These cars are designed to balance speed with reliability, often featuring enclosed cockpits and advanced aerodynamics. Teams usually rotate multiple drivers during a single race. GT car. GT cars, short for Grand Touring cars, are high-performance vehicles derived from luxury sports cars. They are used in both endurance and sprint races, combining speed with a more traditional car design. These cars are less extreme than prototypes but still very fast and visually similar to road-going supercars. Their design allows for a strong connection between racing and consumer vehicles. Prototype racing car. Prototype racing cars are purpose-built machines designed specifically for competition, with no relation to production vehicles. They are often seen in endurance racing and represent the cutting edge of automotive design. These cars feature advanced aerodynamics, lightweight construction, and powerful engines. Their unique shapes and technologies often influence future road car designs. Kart. karts are small, lightweight racing vehicles often used as an entry point into motorsport. They race on short tracks and are known for their simplicity and direct driving experience. Despite their size, karts can be very fast and require precise control. Many professional drivers begin their careers in karting before moving up to higher levels of racing. In which car you like, tell me in comment. Drift car. Drift cars are specially modified vehicles designed to slide through corners in a controlled manner. The goal is not just speed but style, as drivers are judged on their ability to maintain long, smooth drifts. These cars typically have rear-wheel drive and powerful engines, along with modifications that allow for better control during slides. Drifting has become popular both as a competitive hill climb car. Hill climb cars are built for racing uphill on steep and winding roads, often with very few safety barriers. These vehicles are designed for maximum power and grip to handle sharp turns and rapid elevation changes. The races are usually time-based, with drivers attempting to set the fastest run. Their designs can vary widely, but all focus on achieving the best performance in challenging conditions.